Alright, you might start.
Today we're gonna sing.
You might start.
What name? Gonna start?
Yes.
Oh, so yeah, Kang talked a bit about payment method, and he wanted me to have some research on that. So here I am talking about payment method in Vietnam. So probably you like it as much as I do. So here's some massive fact about payment method in Vietnam. So somebody would probably think about payment method would be something like e-commerce when you purchasing online and stuff. So what's that? So in 2005, somebody says buying and selling products on the internet. In 2009, it came into architect studies, so I think, oh, it's just buying things on the internet. Anything else? Well, it turned out to be not quite enough. So there's more than just buying online and things. And it turned out to be something that you go to the store and you use the card, you swipe your card. That's e-commerce as well. And when you go on the website, you point and click and they deliver things to you and you pay on cash. That's e-commerce as well. So yeah, so that's it. That's generally about e-commerce, and we'll talk about payment now. So it's a mess in Vietnam payment method. What's about it? Number one is I'm gonna go through several payment method type in Vietnam. We're gonna have some little thinking or discussion on that. So number one,
Jack is now.
It's debit card and credit card. So I guess everyone has debit card and credit card. Are you? Yes, no?
Yeah, I'm borrowing one.
Yeah.
Me too.
Thanks.
I saw the same person.
Okay, so there's two kind of card. We call it domestic card and local card and international card. Right? Like in Vietnamese we call it annually and everything. So it's for local card you can only use it locally. For international card you can buy things on the internet. Okay, so basically that's it. Here's some brand and stuff. So with the debit and credit card, here's some advantage and disadvantage, because you guys all know about what is it. So I'm not going to talk about the features, but here's the pros and cons of debit card and credit card. So with debit card, it's really fast. When you want to buy something, you just go to the store and swipe it. It's that fast. That's easy. Okay, and it's click and boom. So which means when you go online and you go to the app store, let's say that, you like the app, you just click buy and then you have it. So it can become a spending spree. But anyway,
spend 200, man.
Yeah. So it's really easy, and yeah, you can swipe it until you have the good. And for credit card, you can buy first, pay later, something that I'm trapped in and now I can't get out. Like credit card, you pay first, and then you buy it first, and then you pay it later, which is called a credit card. And international purchasing, that's for the international debit card or credit card only. So you buy stuff on Amazon, you buy stuff on eBay, or you buy stuff on the Mac App Store. That's international purchasing. So that's the pros of the Visa.
Visa is
just a brand.
Visa is just a brand where it allows you to buy things on.
There's
online.
also other brands like American Express, MasterCard,
JCB.
So why does HSBC has a Visa card?
Because they partner with Visa.
Yeah. So HSBC doesn't do international purchasing. The one who do it is Visa.
Yeah.
So this is for debit or credit. Both for debit and credit. But these only two things is for.
You know, if you want to know more about Visa, ask me, because I worked with them for like 1 year.
So the cons, the disadvantage of using a debit card or a credit card is that when you type in your security code, your security number, your billing address, you expose your personal information to the seller, to the dealer, right?
Okay.
So they see you naked. Well, they have some terms and conditions. They have some terms and conditions saying that, well, they won't expose this information to anyone else. But
who knows?
You know, who knows?
Yeah.
So that's the cons and there's no redeem or no refund. Well, the My App Store probably have some redeem and refund, but when you go outside and swipe a card, you can't get a refund, right? If you go online and you buy something on the website, you swipe the card, or you buy it using your card, then you can't change it. You just can't say, hey, no, I don't want it anymore, right? It's already already bought. So that's the concept.
I mean, if you don't like the product, you can always return it.
It's gonna take time, and it's not for the card. It really depends on the terms and condition of the seller.
But when you go out, if you give real money, you still cannot redeem it.
Yes, that's right. So it's the content. It's also the cost of the cash. I'm going to talk about it later.
The only purpose of the credit card or debit card is make you pay easier.
Yeah.
And therefore make you spend more.
Yeah. So that's the card. Okay. So that's the typical card that everyone has. Number 2, bank transferring. So sometimes when you buy something online, let's say Namjae or like there's sometimes they have bank transferring, right? Here's some sort of interface, stupid interface of a bank. This is from Agri Bank, which looks really weird. So they do bank transferring. The pros and cons is regarding the transferring part, it's very secure. It's highly secure, which is like, you don't have to do it. The bank will transfer your money from your account to the receiver's account. So it's really, really secure. And it's easily accessible. Easily accessed. For example, you can go to any bank, give them the money, they'll do the transferring for you. It costs a bit, but it's very easy to do that, right? You have the banks everywhere. The cons is you have no control over the sellers or the dealers, right? Like you send them the money and boom, maybe they disappear. And what else? What can you do? You can't do anything, right? It's time consuming. You have to go online to transfer it, or you might have to go to the bank to transfer it. So it takes time. And the brainless guy might type or might write the number account wrong.
Yeah.
Like if you
very easy happen.
Yeah.
You can't even give me the wrong number to begin with.
That's right. So maybe I provide the wrong number, or the sender provide the bank the wrong number, and it's all messed up, and you can't get it back. Right? Usually for bank transferring is something you call Humengale, which is not really trustable. Right?
You just say that it's entirely secure?
No. Entirely secure regarding the transferring part, purely the transferring part. But for the deal itself, people who use bank transferring,
Like nothing makes sure that once you wire the money, you will absolutely 100% receive the good.
yeah.
But the information is secure. It makes sure that the money you wire will come to the destination correctly and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I guess Tung Anh is ready.
So that's it. So that's for bank transfer. You might not want to. And number 3. So we're going to talk about cash payment. So cash payment is something really, really typical here. You go and pay cash. So there's 2 types of cash payment that I personally figured out. Number 1 is click, wait, and pay. So you go to thayedong.com, you say, oh, you like this phone, you click it, you wait till they call you. Okay. Anh ơi, anh có muốn mua cái này không? Yes, I want it. So they will have somebody who deliver it to you and you pay the cash. So that's one type. The other type, let's just go to the store and get it. Okay, you give them the cash and that's it. So the pros and cons is this. The pros, even the brainless can use it. So, you just use the money. It's very easy. It's versatile. You can do it anywhere, everywhere. It's universal, international. You can do it everywhere. Right? Its all purposes is direct product handling. So, you pay the cash, you get a product. So you have the physical touch of the product easily.
Happy.
You're happy, yeah, you're happy. So that's the pros. And it creates the most trustable atmosphere which means you know,